I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Alright, what's up guys? Another day of Vlogmas. I feel like that is just like my whole life is Vlogmas right now. So I don't really know what day it is. It's just all a blur. But I am eating lunch, starting off this vlog a little bit later. It's 2:30. I'm eating lunch. I'm just putting on some earrings. I kind of felt like I didn't want to film today just because I feel like I look like a hot mess. There's just like, you guys, my to-do list is like endless. I feel like when I complete one thing, I just like add something else. So I have so much to do, and I just really like, sometimes I don't like feel my best when I like look like a hot mess. Like right now, I need to shower. Like I just feel like crap. And so when I feel like crap, I don't really feel like filming. But I'm just like, you know what, like F it. Like this is the freaking reality. Sometimes my hair's not gonna be done. Sometimes I'm gonna be in this sweater for like 5 days, and that is just like the reality of what's going on right now. Life is crazy, and I'm like, you know what, F it. So hopefully you guys don't care about what I look like. Some days I promise I'll look better than this, but today I just could not be bothered with like doing anything. Freaking sound. That it is my company's holiday party. I had a summer party via Zoom, and I got all ready for that one. I did my makeup. I did like a full get ready with me for our summer holiday party. Not summer holiday party, summer company party. Before this holiday party, I'm not prepared for this. Right now I am having, like I said, a little lunch. This has been like one of my new favorite lunches, and it's basically exactly what I made. Right now it doesn't look appetizing, so I'm gonna show you, but like don't be alarmed. Trust me, it tastes way better than it looks. I feel like most good food is that way. It is exactly what I made for Thanksgiving. I made like a little salad, and it is arugula, apple, it's cranberries, like craisins is what they're called. Which I normally don't like raisins, but I really like the cranberry ones. And then a little bit of pepper for like a little bit of like saltiness, like salty kick, because it's a lot of sweetness. Feta cheese, and then raspberry dressing. You guys, this is like the best salad if you want something like super fresh and like healthy. It is sweet though, but you could totally cut the sweetness with like maybe like a vinaigrette or something. But the salad is bomb. I got the recipe from my sister, and I'm pretty sure this is the way she makes it, probably like a little bit better. But it's so easy, it's so simple. There's like literally 3 ingredients. It's like the easiest thing ever. And I love arugula just like as a salad green, like a base. It's really good for you, and it just tastes better. I don't know what it is about it, I just really like it. And I've been really proud of myself because you guys know I've been trying to get like on my fitness game and work out and be more like active in general, just like, you know, not being a lazy girl every single day. Like I'm trying to be more active and whatever. I'm not one for like weighing myself. Like I really want to work out for the lifestyle change. Like I just want to be healthier. I want to have a better relationship with being active, you know. Like in high school, like I did volleyball, I did cheer, and I was very active. Almost because I had to be, like it was a social thing. Obviously, like you're in school and you join sports and like things like that because your friends are doing it, and it's like it's a way to like be more social and like go to the football games and hang out with your friends more than just like in class. So like I don't really consider that me doing sports in high school as like me being active. Like I don't equate that to the same thing because it's different. But I feel like once I like got to college and like graduated college, I like just completely fell off because obviously it's not a social thing anymore. It's more so now just like a health thing, or you find that you want to change something about your body. So like my relationship with like working out has changed in that way. But I've found that like since I went to college, like I've always just been really inconsistent. So this is the first time that I've been consistent with working out, and even now I just like, I do it maybe 3 times a week at max, and that's me being consistent, but it's more than I was doing before. But I'm very proud that I went on the scale, and like I was saying, I don't really like want to work out to lose weight. Like, that's not my goal. I want to, 1, have a better relationship with working out and being active, and 2, just like look and feel better. Like, you know, when you put on a good outfit, when you like do your makeup, you look good, you feel good. Like, that is the reality of things. When you look good, you feel good. And so I want my body to look good. I want to be healthy. I want to eat right. I want to work out and like see the change reflected within my body. So that is partly it. But it's not about the weight. Like, I could be 140 pounds, but look really good, toned. Like, that's what I want. And if I'm at 140, I mean, I'm 5'2", so 140 is a little bit like overweight for me. If I was 140, all muscle, really toned, you know, I'd be fine with it. So it's not about the weight. It's more so like about how I look. Like, I want to look really toned. I want to have baby abs. Like, I want all of those things. But like I was saying, I like go off on a million different tangents. I was checking the scale and I lost 10 pounds, and not even from like doing crazy things. Like, I've shown some of my workouts and they aren't that crazy. Like, I have been doing jump rope, I've been doing like abs, just like small things like that, and I'll do them for like maybe 20 minutes a day. Like, my workouts are not long at all because I'm trying to build my stamina, so I can't really work out for that long. I think now I'm up to like 30 minutes. I'm trying to work my way up. But it's crazy to think that like I went from nothing, like have not been working out, to now like I'm trying to do it 3 times a week, and I lost 10 pounds from that, just from like jumping rope. You guys, like, it's kind of crazy because I'm just like, was I that lazy? Like, was I literally doing nothing that like just by me doing jump rope I lose weight? Like, it's kind of crazy. And I know it's not that easy for everyone, so I'm not coming on here to like brag. I'm just saying that like you would really be surprised about what your body can do and how much it can change just like so easily, just by doing little things. So like, if you are trying to get on your journey of like working out or being active, this is like my message to you. If you've been looking for a sign, here's your sign. Just to do like 10-15 minutes a day, work your way up, and just take it slow. Like, do baby steps. Like, I by no means am a pro exerciser person, you know, like I'm not that. I probably don't have the best form, but I'm trying to like make small changes and, you know, work out 20 minutes a day here and there whenever I have breaks, and it's been working, and I feel so much better when I work out, and my body is like kind of changing. So it's kind of crazy, and it's really exciting, and it's just like motivating to know that like, obviously the number doesn't motivate me. It's more so just like almost like reinforcement that like, okay, what I'm doing is working, and if I keep doing it, like I'll be able to get the results I want. So that's really exciting, and that is partly the reason why I made the salad, because I'm like, okay, I need to eat healthier now. It's just kind of like a trickle effect. Like, once you start seeing little results, like that'll reinforce you and make you want to like keep going, and, you know, just like eat healthy and just all around be better. So it's very exciting, and I'm very happy about that. And yeah, that's my little like health update. I also worked out yesterday, which felt good. I'm trying to work out like every other day. And today I am so sore. So like, now this is like a whole workout talk, but I get really bored of workouts. Like, that's partly the reason why I probably was never consistent, because going to the gym, it's hard to know like what to do. And that's why I feel like I'm the type of person who would really benefit from a personal trainer. As expensive as they are, they like switch it up, and they like push you, and they yell at you, and they tell you what to do, and I would really benefit from that. But obviously that's a lot of money. I'm not trying to do that. But I love Sarai's. She has like weekly workouts with her like trainer person that she knows, and they post it on IGTV. Like, they do a live and they post it on IGTV, and I did that yesterday, and It was a 35-minute workout, like nothing too crazy, lots of legs, a little bit of abs, and it was like a HIIT workout, and it was a little bit different than like what I normally do, but it still gave me like that cardio. It still gave me like you know, legs, like all of the stuff that I normally like to do. And it felt so good just to like do something different that isn't typical of like what I normally do. Have someone be like, okay, you got this, come on, like 5 more, come on. Like just having someone yell at you, I don't know what it is about it, like when you're working out, when someone's yelling at you like, come on, 2, 3, 4, like it just like it motivates you to keep going. So that felt really nice, and I think I'm gonna do another one of her workouts tomorrow. She has like a bunch on her page. If you guys don't follow her, I love her, and it's just really helpful, especially like now when most of us are probably not going to the gyms and stuff. It's just easier to like pop it on your phone or your iPad and just do the workout, and it's kind of like you have a free personal trainer. I'm gonna finish eating my salad. I'm trying to think if I have any alcohol. I don't have any more ginger beer, otherwise I would make a Moscow Mule. That won't work. I have a glass of wine, but do I want wine at 4 p.m? I mean, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? I think I should have a glass of wine. Yeah, I think we'll do that. It's party time. Got my glass, got my wine, and we are ready. All right, all I have to say is I changed into workout gear. I have a blanket over me because I'm freezing, and this is a lot different than last year's holiday party. I'm gonna put up a photo of what I looked like last year compared to this year. If that doesn't describe 2020 for you, I don't know what does. Let's log into this Zoom. Okay, filming 2 vlogs in one day can get a little confusing, but yeah, I'm filming another like hair update vlog, so if you haven't seen that, I'm not sure if it's live already. I honestly don't know. Anyways, just finished editing. I think I kind of want to, I think I kind of want to watch some trashy TV. I haven't been really watching like my shows. I love Housewives. Like Housewives is my shit, you guys. Like I love Housewives. Potomac, Beverly Hills, New Jersey, Dallas. I can do without Dallas, but I do like it. I don't like New York. I just never got into New York really. But I love the Orange County. I love the Housewives franchise. Oh, Atlanta. How could I forget about Atlanta? Nene is my girl, even though she's not there anymore. And they have a new one, which is Salt Lake City. So I think I may want to watch that. But I think I'm not caught up on Potomac, actually. And I know there's a whole drama with Candace and Monique. So I kind of want to catch up on that. I've just been like not really watching my shows because I've been watching like everyone's Vlogmases, and like because there's literally content every single day, I just have been like editing videos and then watching Vlogmases and then working. It's been like no time to catch up on my shows, but I do want to watch a show. Me and Tyler also really love Mandalorian. If any of you guys are watching that, I won't spoil it for you, but Grogu is so cute. Like I love Mandalorian. It's a really good show. You guys should watch it. It's on Disney Plus. But I see there's a new episode of Housewives. Deck the halls with drama. Right up my alley. Really living it large over here in 2020.